In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design where you want to apply the outline effect. This could be a social post, presentation slide, thumbnail, or any other creative project. Once your project is open, take a moment to locate the element you want to edit so the process feels smooth and easy to follow. Next, select the object you want to outline. Adobe Express can apply this kind of effect to items like text, shapes, and certain supported graphics. For this example, we're using text, which is one of the most common ways to create a clean outline effect. Just click directly on your text so Adobe Express knows that's the element you want to modify. If nothing changes right away, don't worry. The important thing is simply making sure the text is actively selected before moving on. After that, go over to the left panel and click on the Effects tab. This is where Adobe Express keeps a variety of visual styling options, including effects that can help transform the look of your selected object. Once you're inside the effects area, you'll be able to explore more design treatments specifically tied to the item you selected. Inside the Effects tab, look for the Shape section and click View All. This will show you more available style options. From there, choose the style that appears as an outline only, with a hollow center. This is the setting that creates the outlined look instead of a filled shape. Once you select it, the effect should apply to your text right away, giving you a clear preview of how it looks on your design. If you want to customize the outline, click the sliders icon on the selected shape style. A small settings panel will open. In that panel, click the shape color swatch to open the color picker, then choose the color you want for the outline. This is a great time to match your brand colors or pick something with strong contrast so the outline stands out clearly against your background. You can also adjust the shape size and opacity in the same settings area. Changing the size helps control how thick or prominent the outline appears, while opacity lets you make it softer or more solid depending on the style you're going for. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so it's worth testing a few settings until it looks just right. And that's it. That's how to create an outline in Adobe Express.